What did you see in the Vine reviews? A lower than
Or
4 star because there's not enough time to judge whether something's working. Plus, if it's a Vine review, they don't necessarily have the right condition to be treating this. You get the idea. So, what's the
Mhm.
problem? What's your challenge?
The main issue with this product is that we receive not really a good Vine reviews.
I use similar products myself. I'm the target customer. I use these because it helps with a nasal drip. Ah, it's cold. That is cold.
They felt the oil is too much. How we can convey that this is actually the unique part of the product and it's going to help them have a relief on their allergies.
Never ever use Vine on a medical product. Ever, ever, ever. If you proposed Vine on this, that's a no no. If the client does,
The
prevent them from
client
making
does.
this mistake. Because what did you see in the Vine reviews? A lower than
Or
4 star because there's not enough time to judge whether something's working. Plus, if it's a Vine review, they don't necessarily have the right condition to be treating this. You get the idea.
What is this? Just random pot plant, I guess.
So that hurt the review count,
Mhm.
but that's a different takeaway. Definitely don't do Vine on anything medical.
This is actually pretty sensitive because it's also medical and we don't want to hit any prohibited.
No pictures of people on the secondary image stack. I'd highly recommend getting on that.
We have it already, Steven, but of course, the client is actually fully taking control in the images as well as in the bullet points. We recently have FDA issues in the previous products. That's why we are extra careful on this listing. The client just wanted to know from me as well on how to better strategize in providing that information to the customers, have a more detailed bullet points here and be able to tell the experience that they're going to have on the product itself. So that's my take.
I would focus heavily on the secondary image stack. Do they have brand story, A plus content with people pictures? Can you scroll down? The bullet points are also super short. Yeah, there's no A plus content. Is this a newer client?
This has been with us already 6 months and over.
Why is there no A plus content then?
Okay, because we've discussed this with client as well. They wanted to work on themselves because this was a bit downgraded. I believe so. The
Six
account.
months and no A plus content. Do we have a design tier with them?
No, no.
So
Recently, they have a special arrangement with the account. That's why we did not work on with the A plus content.
you need A plus content, image stack, and those other things to improve profitability.